spending a day out at Legoland. About to try Granny's apple fries for the first time. Heard they pretty good. This is what they look like. So let's see how they look when we get them. Okay, so here they go. They came out the kitchen. Let's see how they taste. All right, let's see how they taste. Let's see how they taste.
They good?
What you think? Okay.
Green apple.
What you think, T? What you think? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
That bun was right. It's better with whipped cream.
What you think? Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay, he don't like it. Let me put the phone down.
Sorry. Whipped cream.
Whipped cream on it. It's a little funky. It ain't busting, but
They both is right.
it's straight.